Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make OVA Metal Sonic in Roblox. To begin, open Roblox Studio and navigate to the Build or Model tab. This is where you'll start shaping your character. Focus on getting the core proportions right, aiming for a sleek, robotic form. Think about his distinct head shape and the general size relative to other Roblox avatars. This foundational step is crucial for a recognizable model. Next, let's focus on the intricate details of Metal Sonic's head and torso. For his head, craft the sharp, angular features and his piercing red eyes. Remember his distinctive pointed ears. Move on to the torso, adding his prominent chest plate and the jet booster on his back. You'll want to use a combination of parts and unions to achieve these complex, robotic shapes, ensuring they look smooth and integrated. Now let's move on to his limbs and the crucial color scheme. Design his arms and legs to reflect their metallic nature, ensuring they look powerful and agile. Don't forget his sharp claws and the thrusters on his legs, which are key to his design. Once the structure is complete, apply the iconic color palette, a vibrant metallic blue for his main body, silver for accents, and bright red for his eyes and other specific details. This brings him to life. Finally, let's add some functionality and polish. Implement basic movement scripts so your OVA Metal Sonic can walk and run within your Roblox game. If you're feeling ambitious, consider adding special abilities, such as a speed boost or even flight, to truly capture his essence. Take a moment to review your entire model, checking for any misaligned parts or color inconsistencies. A thorough final polish ensures your creation is perfect and ready for action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.